When using WPS Document, we often need to write comments in order to mark editing and strengthen our memory. But we may find that the comments could not be output together when we try to convert the annotated document into PDF. What should we do when facing this kind of situation? First, click the menu button and click Export to PDF Advanced Settings. In the Advanced Settings dialog box, check Comment and click Confirm, Export to PDF. Having the output completed, you can view the information of comment in this PDF file. But what should I do if I find that the bookmark is not exported together? We can solve this problem in the same way. Click Menu, Export to PDF, and Advanced Settings. Check Bookmarks in the dialog box. Do you get it?